In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Xbox Series S or X is randomly disconnecting from your Wi-Fi network. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the X button on your controller and turn off your console fully. Then after you've done that, unplug your console from the power, and you also want to unplug your router from its power for 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in and booting up your Xbox. So once you've done that, we're now going to go to Settings, then scroll down to System and scroll over, and make sure your Xbox is up to date. Now after you've done that, we're going to go back up to General and scroll over and select Network Settings, and then scroll down and test your network speed and statistics. Now if you notice that your latency is higher than normal, or you're experiencing packet loss, it likely means that you have a poor Wi-Fi signal, in which case you want to move your Xbox closer to your router if possible, as well as have a clear line of sight from your Xbox to your router. Now, something else you could also do is go to Manage Wireless Networks and go to Manage My Networks. And if you're connected to it, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it in this section, and then see if there's an improvement. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.